Hello guys, look at the side at the back. Beautiful London. Uh, I'm just next to Thames River at the moment. So if you look on my left hand side at the back, there's Tower of London, and at the back, that's the Tower Bridge, London's most famous bridge. So when we think about London, that's what we think about. So यो पछाडि चाहिँ लन्डनको फेमस ब्रिज टावर ब्रिज हो साथीहरू अनि यतापट्टि पछाडि हेर्नुहुन्छ भने दिस इज चार्ड लन्डनको टलेस्ट बिल्डिङ पहिला 2001-2002 तिर चाहिँ यो बिल्डिङ थिएन यो रिसेन्टली बनाएको हो त्यसले गर्दा द्याट्स वान अफ द एट्र्याक्सन इन लन्डन मोस्ट मान्छेहरू चाहिँ लन्डन घुम्न आयो भने दे टेन्ड टु गो देयर okay I'll keep posting more videos, so tune into my channel, tune into my videos, subscribe and share my videos as much as possible. Okay, take care. I'll see you in other videos.